Here I have OUKITEL OKT1, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly you have to open your contacts list, then select contact which you want to add photo, for example this one, then tap edit contact, then tap on the camera icon to edit photo. You can take photo or to just select one from the gallery, as I am going to do. So you select the photo, here you can adjust it, how you want it to look like, and then tap save copy, and then save. And as you can see, contact photo added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.